Malhotra and welcome to our channel, the Green Foodie. Summers are here and it's getting super hot. So I have come up with a fun recipe to beat the heat. Are you excited to know what are we making today? It's ice cream from Candyland. Let's get started. To make Candyland ice cream, we need 1 small packet Oreo biscuit, 1.5 teaspoon butter, 1 scoop chocolate ice cream, 1 scoop vanilla ice cream, 1 scoop strawberry ice cream, 1 tablespoon Tutti Fruity, and other candies like gems and skittles. Let's see how to make it. First of all, we need 1 packet Oreo biscuit. Now we will put it inside a ziplock pouch and crush it nicely. Crush, crush, crush. Let us crush. Fully crush. Let's empty it in a bowl. To this, add 1.5 teaspoon butter and give it a good mix. Mix, mix, mix. Let us mix. Let us mix it well. Now it's time for chocolate ice cream. Take 1 scoop chocolate ice cream and mix it nicely in a bowl. To this, add Tutti Fruity and gems. And let us sing the song. Mix, mix, mix. Let us mix it well. Now take a martini glass or any other glass and fill it up with half of the Oreo mix. Now pour in the chocolate ice cream mix. This will go inside the freezer for half an hour. Half an hour is over and our ice cream is set. We will do the same thing with vanilla ice cream. To this, I am adding my favorite candy, Skittles. Mix, mix, mix. Let us mix it well. Now we will pour the vanilla ice cream mix over the chocolate ice cream mix. Freeze this again for half an hour. Repeat the same with strawberry ice cream and add your favorite candies. Pour the strawberry mix over the set vanilla ice cream. Again back to the freezer. Here we go. Our Candyland ice cream is ready. I have decorated it with Oreo crumbles, Skittles and waffle cone. You can use your imagination and make your own Candyland ice cream. Did you like my recipe? I am sure you did. So go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let us dig in. Delicious! So while I finish my ice cream, why don't you make one for yourself? Ta-ta! Bye-bye!